everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and this is honestly such an impromptu video. I was literally just about to start making dinner. I was just making a fun little mocktail for myself. I tried it and I just like died and went to mocktail heaven. I figured I might as well record this right now and share it with you. Without further ado, let's just get to the recipe. First, what you're gonna do, take a mason jar filled with ice. I have strawberry simple syrup ready to go in our fridge just because, I don't know, you never know when you're gonna need some simple syrup. And it's so simple. I'm just doing about 2 ounces. Thankfully, on the ball jar, there's a measurement. 2 ounces. I can lick it because it's in my house. And then I just did about half a lemon of lemon juice. I hate these little seeds. They're so annoying. Whoops. Oh no, lemon overboard. Okay, so juice from half a lemon, and then just a little spritz of lime in there. I'd say maybe about half an ounce or so. So this is the exciting part. This is Kavita. It's water kefir, and it is the Mojita Lime Mint Coconut. This drink tastes like rainbow sherbet or sherbet. Jeff and I got into a little bit of a debate about whether which one is right or not. So we're gonna call it sherbet sherbet. So then you're just gonna take 4 ounces of this, pour it in there. Whoa, perfect. And then put your top on, give it a good shake. Whoa, whoops. Why does this keep exploding? What happened with my other mocktail? Wipe off your messes, cause no one else will, unless you're rich. That's all stirred. And then grab a coupe glass, put it right there, and then strain your drink over your coupe glass. And voila! You're finished, all done. You can garnish it with a lime wheel if you want, or like a little lemon wedge, or even a lime wedge. Let's grab one. Pop that on, you're all set. You also don't need to garnish it, but I don't know, looks kind of fun. So here's your rainbow sherbet slash sherbet and or sherbet, whatever. Let's take a sip. God, that's honestly just like my favorite new mocktail. That is so good. I feel like I say that with every recipe I make, but it's genuinely true. Like each mocktail I make becomes my new favorite. I don't know if it's because it's new or just because they're getting better and better, but I don't know. I'll let you be the judge. Full recipe for this is going to be on my website at amaraandrew.com. Link is in the description below. The URL is right here probably. So yeah, enjoy. This was super impromptu, so very, very quick video, but I hope you enjoy it. Okay, ta-ta!